Hey everyone, welcome to Hobby Time. May thy knife chip and shatter. That's right guys, doing a build video on the Crysk blade from Dune. I'm a massive Dune fan. The second film comes out very soon, so I thought I'd do a quick one-day build on this blade and have some fun. Let's get to it.
So we started out with two different prints here. I printed one as the original 3-piece, and then I've combined all three into a single piece. Now I've laid it horizontally, blade up, and then I've printed it on the Kobra 2 Max. It turned out perfect. Few support issues, obviously that was my fault, but a little bit of tidy up here, tidy up on the blade, give it a nice smooth appearance. Same as on the back of the handle need a little bit of work, but overall 5 minutes and this job was done nice and easy. Just getting rid of those extra burrs that I'm not happy with, giving it a quick sand. Now just sort of digging out a few details that were missed. Here we go, first coat of paint, Montana Gold Ivory. I love the ivory, it looks like bone, the tooth looks like bone, so very happy with how that ended up. Now as you can see here, first layer of brown is on. I decided to layer this very much like an old tooth, like a saber-toothed cat or something. So as you can see, we've added brown to the handle. I've added a couple of layers already to the knife itself. Now I am going to step the layers up a little bit so it gets progressively darker and darker and darker, and it's just got that fade into the black here, as you can see. So what I'll do is I'm just going to mix up some black right now. So here we're just adding some black washes. So I've made up some black wash as well as some black paint. So what I'll do is I'll just add some of that black paint sort of around the blade, obviously around the handle. It will get painted over, but it'll be light coats, so it'll give it that sort of weathered, dirty appearance, like the leather handle and the paint's all worn off. I think it just adds a little bit of age and a little bit of depth using the black. Now we're onto sort of a more of a fun part. What I've done now, I'm sort of happy with the original weathering sort of the blade of the knife. I'm going to take some black paint. I'm going to give it a bit of a light dry brush. Try get some of the details, obviously in the graphics on the inside, all the engravings on the blade and everything like that. That'll sort of add a fair amount of depth to the knife, and it's all trial and error. So for me, I'm still learning all this sort of stuff. So it's just like, yep, do that. No, don't do that. Oh, it didn't work. Rub it off. Put it on. Rub it off. And yeah. As you can see, we're on those sort of final stages now where we're just going through just with the black, just tidying little bits and pieces up where I thought it was lighter, where I thought it was darker, just to see in different lights as well. I like to take it into like a natural sort of yellow light, and then I'll take it into a white light and see whatever I like. And obviously what I like may not be what you like, but that's part of it. This is my build. When you do your build or anything like that, you can make things however you like, and that is the beauty of 3D printing, really. You can just do what you want. And if you make a mistake, this is only a small build, it's nothing too major. It took, I think, about 3.5 hours on the Kobra 2 Max as a single piece. And realistically, it's taken me maybe an hour and a half to get it to this stage. So it's not a big job, but yeah, very happy with how this one turned out. I really like this one, really like the movie, and I hope you've enjoyed watching that, and here is the final product.
Thanks for watching with that one, guys. Yeah, as I mentioned before, this is a Nico Industries file, but it was a great, easy file to print. Comes in 3 pieces or a single piece joined together, which is what I've done. Yeah, thanks for watching on this one. It's always good to have these easy 1 day or a couple of hour builds. Bit of a stress reliever as such, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like what you see, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.